In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the footer from your Zoho invoice. If you're looking to customize your invoice template or simply want an uncluttered look, removing or altering the footer is a useful skill to have. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your Zoho Invoice account and navigate to the PDF Templates section. You'll find this under Settings, which is easily accessible from your main dashboard. Once you're in the PDF Templates area, make sure to click on the Invoices tab. This is important because we want to ensure we're editing the correct template for your invoices. When you've opened the Invoices tab, locate the template that you're using. There should be an Edit button right next to the name of your template. Click on this to open up the template editor. This editor is a powerful tool that allows you to make various customizations to your invoice appearance. Within the template editor, you'll see a menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll need to find the header and footer section. Clicking on this will reveal more options, and you should go ahead and select the footer option. This is where the magic happens. Entering this section allows you to modify everything about the footer. Here, you have the freedom to adjust font sizes and colors to match your company style or personal preference. You can also decide to add or replace notes, terms and conditions, and signature fields if those are something you need on your invoices. To tailor the content further, you have the option to insert or delete any text in the footer content field. There's a gear icon that you'll see, which when clicked, says Customize your footer content. This is where you can get creative or completely simplify your footer by removing everything. Removing content here essentially means leaving the footer field blank, resulting in no footer data on your invoices when they're printed or sent. For those looking to explore other creative options, you can optionally add a background image or tweak the layout, including aspects like page numbers. These features allow a high level of customization so you can align your invoices with your brand image seamlessly. Ultimately, leaving these fields blank is an effective way to achieve no footer content, as the blank space equates to no visible footer. This approach helps you achieve cleaner, more streamlined invoice designs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily remove or customize your Zoho invoice footer to suit your preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to explore more ways Zoho can work for you.